Amazon influencers and Amazon associates. There's been some updates to our operating agreement on the program, and I just know you're going to love these updates. And I also want to tell you about another feature for those of you who are going live on Amazon. So make sure you stay to the end because that's the best bit. My name is Ileane Smith, and I'm glad you're able to join me today because I want to tell you about the most exciting change, in my opinion, that has to do with the operating agreement for Amazon associates. Let's go up to the top just so you can get an idea what's on this page, okay? So you asked, we answered for the operating agreement, and basically they're saying we put it in simple terms for you to understand. All right, so let's go down and you'll see some of the things that you need to know about. Disclosures, that hasn't changed. There was a slight change to the tracking IDs, but I don't think it's really that important. And then they go on to describe what are tracking IDs, just for those folks that are new and all of that. Trademarks, it explains when you can and can't use the Amazon logo. Let's get to the major change. In my opinion, this is huge. Previously, we were instructed that we could not share our affiliate links inside of our emails. So here is the change. Affiliate links can be shared via your own websites, mobile apps, social media accounts, and other opt-in messaging tools, including direct messaging, newsletters, and group chats to provide a great experience for our customers. And let's just look at the don'ts, because there still are some don'ts. Don't send links to customers who haven't opted in to the communication. You may not share your links via physical printed material, on the phone, or via word of mouth. You can also see this in your phone. And since we're going to segue over into the phone, let's just put that up there. And these changes just took effect March of 2024. It's very important, but read through all of them because I just told you about the one that I really care about, but there's others that may also be relevant to you. Okay? So, speaking of the phone and the app on the phone, let's talk about this exciting change that has come to the Amazon Live app. Click on See All. It's clips. You know, I love the fact that we can go into our past live streams and take clips where we talked about a specific product, and Amazon has already highlighted or pre-selected these segments, and I'll show you that in a second. But I just want to show you here where I've already taken some clips and added them to my library. Let's just go into create a clip, and you can see here it has a timestamp of 31:34. So at the 31:34 minute mark is when I was talking about that. And then right here, what I do is say save as new clip. You see at the top, that plush pillow one, it says video processing in progress. This promises to be a bright future for everyone who's in the Amazon Influencer and Associates program. And with that said, this is your girl, Ileane, saying, stay beautiful. I'll see you in the next video.